Nifty struggled to sustain the Santa rally amid FII's selling, weak economic growth, and a record low rupee. Highlights include ITC's hotel business demerger, India Siemens CCI approval, and Reliance Industries strategic health acquisition. Stay tuned for market trends and technical insights. Nifty was climbing in yesterday's trade, keeping hopes of Santa rally alive. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty snapped a 5-day losing streak. But this Tuesday morning, Gift Nifty is drifting lower, suggesting that hopes of Santa Claus rally are waning. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests a light volume trading day is quite likely, with Nifty trading directionless, choppy and volatile. Long story short, fingers crossed for the end of year Santa Claus rally, which could provide a final boost to a 2024 performance for Nifty and its stocks. Global cues are neutral negative. In yesterday's positive session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 169 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 20 to 28 crores. Sentiments turns to neutral. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating oversold conditions on the daily charts. Fano December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 13.52 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 0.77 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 0.55. Nifty outlook, Nifty may waver, but upside is likely to be capped. Nifty, CMP 23753. Support, 23,550 to 23,600. Resistance, 23,850 to 23,900. Range, 23,450 to 23,750. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 51318. Support, 51,050 to 51,000. Resistance, 51,550 to 51,600. Range, 51,000 to 51,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. The next catalysts shall come only in January as the Q3 earnings reporting cycle shifts into a higher gear. Until then, the three negative catalysts keeping upside cap are: 1. In last week's trade, FIIs have been net sellers to the tune of Rs 15,828 crores. 2. India's slowing economic growth, which is likely to mean that capital flows will be weak. 3. Weak Indian rupee is a concern after the rupee hit a record low of 85 rupees and 13 paise against the dollar, making Indian markets less attractive to foreign investors and raising inflation fears. Buzzing stocks. 1. ITC has set 1st January 2025 as the appointed date and the effective date for the demerger of the hotel business of the company. 2. India Siemens stock price jumped 7.7% after the latter received Competition Commission of India (CCI) nod for acquiring a majority stake in the former. 3. Reliance Industries flared up 1.51% at 1,224 rupees after its wholly owned subsidiary, Reliance Digital Health, entered into definitive agreements to acquire a 45% equity stake on a fully diluted basis in Health Alliance Group Incorporated, Huggy, for an aggregate consideration of $10 million.